What are you giggling about?
We're getting a lawnmower. We're getting a lawnmower. That's what we're doing. Come here. Home Depot. We're getting a lawnmower.
Alright, let's go. I don't think video is capturing exactly how happy you are.
Take your mask down so you can see your smile.
You should have seen her inside giggling like crazy. Okay, now put your mask back on immediately. Woohoo! Thank you, cousin, for the help with the transport. Oh, man.
I'm more excited than Carol with any Star Trek gift she's ever had combined.
That's awesome. There we go. Where are you right now?
I got a lawnmower! And it's ours! It's not in the store!
You sure it's the one we want? We could go back, return it, or you
No.
decide to get another one.
No.
You look really happy. Alright, I give you a high five, but I'm holding stuff. Virtual high five. Sweet.
Take a second to get the gas up here too. Let's go forward.
What? Yeah! It's a lawnmower. Actually, it was cut. Oh my god. This is a miracle. A miracle, I tell you. I'm so happy. You can see the stuff going through the trees.
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's insane.
Nice
Well,
job.
it's going to take some time to do this. Going
Obviously,
back,
obviously, yeah.
right? And what's happened right here is this.
Oh my.
Look at this. This is all.
We already figured the bottom was going to be jammed up like crazy.
Yep.
I didn't know it was going to be that fucking quick.
Well, when you went into a pile that was completely packed.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was.
It's sitting. So
It was a knowing thing that I did like for almost fun, but can you go get a, okay, so bye video.
Bye.
So that's about the height you want.
It mowed too. It's not just leaves.
That's about the height you want to mow it.
Yeah,
but
I agree with that.
go slower too. Don't push
This
it like
difference.
Go over slow, and you'll do a better job.
I'm so happy. So happy. Da-na-na-na. Hi.
Where are you?
On a lawnmower? On my lawnmower.
That's right. Let's see it. See your maiden journey.
Yeah, I'm driving around.
Yeah, don't mow anything, just drive. Whiplash? Okay, so now face that way. Turn around so you're facing that way. Stop! Stop! Okay, take that and move it down there. Go for it. Disengage the motor, the mower. Disengage the mower part. Nice.
Yeah.
Right there, first run. All right. How awesome was that?
That was fabulous.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yes.
Excellent. Nice
I'm
job.
proud of you for buying a lawnmower.
Ah, thank you. Thank you very much. That was the easy part. Woohoo! Let's see how much that little bit that you just did collected. We're gonna open this so many times that this thing's gonna break. Careful with it. It's actually pretty easy when it's easy when we don't screw it up, but we're doing it wrong for some reason. It said it comes out or something. No, careful, we don't. Here, hold on. Ah, that's what it is. That comes up there. Ah!
Wow.
Already filled. That was with your one run. Look at that.
That was great.
All right, awesome. Woohoo! Go get the bag. Yay! Breakdown before the key start.
You also have an hour meter here.
Yep, it says, is that battery life or something?
Point tells you how much hours the engine's been running.
Oh, nice. What's the current setting so I can...
12.7 volts, 0.2 of an hour.
Nice. Little odometer. Sweet. Temporal odometer. Awesome. Is it everything you hoped for?
Everything.
Excellent.
Everything I hoped for.
I started getting it filling up in here, so I stopped it.
Yep. Yeah, I was watching. Most of the time I kept giving you a thumbs up because I kept saying stuff still moving.
Well, see, what I was doing is
nice.
I gradually started in an area, and I just would take a little bit more, and I'd come back and clean up some of the other stuff and go like a circle.
Yeah, it's always overlapping. That's the key.
By minimizing it, it cleaned it up nice, though.
It's good. All right, this has got potential. Woo.
Nice.
All right, I sense the rain coming, so
Yeah,
let's
we gotta clean this up and
get those out, and then we'll put it in the garage. Sweet. Oh wow, look,
Look at that.
there's Bob's run. Do you get any more bags?
Yes.
so.
Sweet.
Okay.
You're welcome.